Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly find your SIM number or mobile number on an Android device in 2025. There are a couple of simple ways to check, so let's go step by step. The first way is through the Contacts app. Open Contacts, tap your profile icon at the top, then scroll down to view your details. In many cases, your SIM number or mobile number is displayed there. If the number isn't listed in Contacts, don't worry. Go to your phone settings. Scroll until you find options like mobile networks, SIM and network, or connections. Depending on your device brand, tap it and you should see your active network along with your SIM number or mobile number displayed underneath. On some Android models, you can also check by opening the phone app and going to SIM card settings. Or if you still can't find it, just remove the SIM tray. Your SIM card number is printed right on the card. So the easiest methods are check contacts, check settings under mobile networks, or look at the SIM card directly. Between these, you'll always be able to find your SIM number when you need it. And that's it. That's how to find your SIM number on Android in 2025. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.